Okay, here we got the DeWalt 1/4 inch sheet variable speed sander, DeWalt. Got this at Home Depot for $150. Let's open it up, see what we got here. Got your bag, dust collector. Got the sandpaper hole punch. Tool and the instruction manual. Okay, the first thing I notice is this tool is kind of heavy, and this tool here also doesn't come with a battery. So let me put the battery on here. Now mind you, this is a thin DeWalt battery, and it feels kind of heavy without the battery. So if you add a battery to it, it's going to be even heavier. Now if you're using this tool for a lot of sanding, it's going to put a wear on your forearm and your hand. It's going to start hurting after a while. So that's a negative on the tool. One thing negative. Let's see. Put the sandpaper on. Release this level here on both sides. Flip that back. Push this down. You stick your sandpaper in here. You flip it over. Tuck it under there and put your levels back down. Then you take your sandpaper hole punch, and on this corner, it has to go either here on this corner or this corner. If you do it back here, it's going to wind up hitting your sandpaper level. You ain't going to be able to poke the holes. So do like so. Push down on it and it'll make your holes so the sander vacuum can suck up the dust. Here's the bag. Now this has variable speeds from 1 to 7. And let's see how this thing sounds. It's alright, but for a tool like this, if I'm gonna do a battery powered sander, if I'm doing a little bit of sanding, I'd rather just use sandpaper in my hand. Usually if I'm breaking out a sander, I'm doing a lot of sanding, and unless you have a bunch of batteries charging, backing up for backup, you might be running through the batteries. I don't know how long this thing holds a charge, but also just the weight of it. And now let me see if you can connect shop vac hose to the port over here. I can attach one. Okay, so here's the hose to my little shop vac. A little stinger vac. It's not fit. No bueno. No good. Now here is my orbital sander from DeWalt. Plug in. This sander is great, by the way. And as you can see, shop vac hose fits nice and snug. And it also has an extra ring for different size holes, which is pretty good. This is worth the money. This one for $150. I think I'm gonna be returning it. Well, anyway, I hope this helps in you making your decision on buying one of these. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Peace.